Hello, today I will be talking about my experience about Byju's classes. I had taken Byju's classes course for 2 years for my daughter, and I had taken this in February 2020, just before COVID starting, and I paid 60,000, and in 60,000, 2 years their video access was given, and one tablet was given and 2 years books were given. So means for each year one set of the books was given. So things are nice. They had given one trial period, 1 month trial period. So if I don't like in the trial period, they told that if you don't like in the trial period, you can return it back the course, and my money will be refunded without asking any question. And they had promised that in the live classes it will be complete live classes, and few students will be there in the classes. And in the trial period, the way they have conducted in the trial period, it was very nice. Teacher used to pause and ask the questions, did you understand what is meaning of this? So it was really nice, and it was giving a feeling that okay, this is the way of the future education system in the India, or anywhere. Means this is how the children will learn in the future. It was looking very nice. It was progressing. And what happened suddenly after 1 month, when the trial period was over, they those aspect of the liveliness of the classes has gone drastically down. Same teachers, same kind of teachers, but they will not ask anything. They will be keep going on. And after some time, again after 1 month, what happened? uh, it was not live classes, it was recorded video. They had recorded the video and they used to keep playing it. And when we asked in the chat box, can you answer, I means my daughter asked, okay, I did not understand this, can you please answer this? So they will not stop, the video will be keep playing, and somebody will reply in the chat box that okay, this is how it is. But fine, till that also is fine. But the definition they have changed of the liveliness, this like recorded video, and one guy sitting behind the scene, and the student when he or she is listening, the video will go forward, right? When your child asking some question in the chat box, and reading that message is reply from the that guy, so you will be lost in that, and then again that discontinuity will happen. Again you will have doubt in the portion what teacher has taught. So trial period, first of all, they showed a very nice world in the trial period. And once the trial period was over, they came to the recorded video. And when I complained it to Baiju, they said that liveness means there will be somebody on the chat box, and that's what they meant by the live. So they changed the definition of the liveness. That's a very incorrect way of defining the liveness. And if that was the case, then why in the trial period it was so nice, so nicely the teacher was asking, posing, asking a student to speak over the mic, and like that. So they showed some world in the trial period. And after that, 1 month is over. Now customers cannot return it, so they went into their normal track. And fine, till that also is fine. But after 1 month, again what happened, the chat box response also went very down. It seems that because of the corona situation after March, the number of subscription in the Byju classes had increased dramatically. They were not able to control it. They were not having the much staffs to or teachers to conduct the classes. So the quality degraded like hell. It's like video playing, so YouTube video playing. There are plenty of the videos. Why I will go to the Byju's these kind of classes and attend these classes? I can search in the YouTube and I will get a lot of videos. So there was no, I was feeling cheated. 60 after paying 60,000 rupees. What I got is one tablet and one set of books, which is maybe 2,000, 10,000 rupees tablet, 2,000 rupees books, and this recorded videos, which they might have spent money on recording those videos, true, but the trying to utilize that video for lakhs and lakhs of students, and asking 60,000 rupees for such videos for 2 years is too much. It's too much for on those many videos. And fine, it was still fine. I was not happy, but I was continuing it. And again, after in maybe May or June, they came with the new idea. Okay, now what we'll do is that somebody called me. They say mentor, a student mentor. They called me and said that, okay, so now you can will increase the number of classes. Instead of 2 classes per week, now we'll have three or four classes, I guess. And it will be better videos, better teachers will be there. So intuitively it looked, after hearing that, okay, it looks sounds good, so I will switch to that. They gave me offer of switching it, or I can stay it back in the this current method of teaching. So I switched it. Nothing harmful it was looking. Number of classes was increasing, and they said that teachers will be good. But what happened now? Now it's like very polished video. It's like a movie kind of video, and completely recorded chat box. Also, I'm not sure that anybody is asking question, and that is a useful question. Everybody will be keep sending the smiley, hi, hello, and if somebody asks the question, the one line question, they will post 30-40 lines of the answer. So a student in the fourth grade, fifth grade, or sixth grade, they will be keep reading that answer itself. 15 minutes, 20 minutes will go, and then in that same chat box, multiple people will send hi, hello. Another question will come, that your answer will go above. You will keep scrolling. So it's not feasible. It's not realistic that somebody is asking question in the chat box and the doubts getting clarified. And the videos are very polished. It's recorded like in the studio and theater kind of scenario, and the kids feels that, okay, this is a recorded video, why I should get engaged. Kids lost the interest. They don't feel it's connected to, they don't feel it's connected. So it's a totally, it's interactive less, I will say. There is no interactiveness. They have cheated the customers by saying, and they showed a different world in the first month of the trial period. And they changed it, and maybe because of the corona or whatever, but the quality of the classes has degraded like drastically. Videos are good, their videos, whatever is there, videos are good, but the kids at fourth standard, fifth standard, uh, uh, they need some kind of interaction, then they feel connected to the classes. Otherwise what is point? There are plenty of videos available on the YouTube. For each topic, if you search, there are plenty of the videos available, and we can download one by one and watch it freely, right? Why I have given 60,000 rupees to Byzu. I give 60,000 thinking that there will be some kind of connectness. There will be some kind of connect with the student and the teacher. And they showed also in the first trial month, they showed that kind of connect with the teacher and the student. But they, once the trial period is over, they just disappeared. All the things are gone. It's like complete cheating. They are encashing the money on the already recorded video. They are becoming like billions of money they are earning on the recorded of the videos. They are scaling those videos and trying to sell the same videos to many and many people. And this COVID scenario has helped them like hell. And it's like, I will say, it's unethical business. The way they are conducting, the way they are grabbing the customers by the false promises. They are grabbing the customers, and they are, and after trial period, they are making them helpless. You complain with them, they will say, okay, fine, I will return the money. And then the amount of the return of the money I was offered in 60,000 was around 15,000 or so. Something they deducted, and it's 15,000. So I thought, okay, fine, for 15,000 what I will get it. So let it be there. So I'm continuing, but very unsatisfied. And I will not suggest anybody, at least for the lower class of the students, to go for the online classes. First of all, reading habit from the books is very important, and that builds up in the lower classes, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, till 7th or 8th. and the way you read the sentences and try to understand from those sentences is very important. Don't rely on these online classes, especially Baizu. It's like too costly. The return of the money you get it is not that much. If that same 60,000 thing it would have been if in 30,000, then it's okay, fine, then that's fine. But 60,000 too costly. And for lower grade classes, I will not recommend any online classes for the students. A student might lose the interest in reading the books and reading the text, and the connection with the book is important. And yeah, so that's all. Beware of Baiju's tricks. There's marketing guys. They will sell the product. They'll sell this like hell. They will say that your child is doing good. You once the first time they call you, they will say that okay, we'll take you some kind of aptitude test for your child, and then they will say, oh, your child has scored very good. We'll give you so much scholarship, this that, and there is nothing. There is nothing. Those are the all marketing gimmicks they play, and they try to grab the customers. They show that okay, fine, you book it 1 month, you can get it, return the money. If you don't like it, you will return, get the money back. But what will happen? 1 month they will show you heaven, and after 1 month it's gone. And then you complain it, they will say okay, fine, we'll return you this much. Now you will be in the trap situation, whether you want to take 10,000, 15,000 and go back, sit idle, or you continue with the whatever is there. So same video, there is no extra investment for Baiju. Extra investment is just 10,000 rupees tablet, 2,000 rupees books. So in 12,000 rupees or for maximum 12,000 rupees from the investment, same resources, they try to earn 60,000 from that. 60,000, 70,000 they earn from that. So too much money making business they have made it. Initially I was liking it, but I am totally against of these kind of marketing and these kind of way of teaching for the lower class of grades of the students. Thank you very much. I hope it helps. Even the 10 people avoids Baiju by looking this video. I feel the making of this video is successful. Thank you very much. Bye.